What's up, YouTubers? The Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Buddy Holly classic, Peggy Sue. Early rock and roll. Alright, so let's go. We're in standard tuning. The song is in A major. A major, we got D major, we got E major. And that's the main chords for the verses and the chorus. And then we got that breakdown that is very unique. We're gonna play an F power chord here. So that's 1 on the E string and 3 on the A string. And then, so here's the switching. It starts with A, D, A, E. That's the intro. And then the verse is A, rhythm we can go. That was downstrokes there, but before I did down up down up down up down up. Is A, A, F, F, A. Peggy Sue, Peggy Sue, pretty, 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 Peggy Sue. And this is how they ended. E. So this song is really easy. You just gotta remember the form and the switching. So let's go over that one more time, slower. When he starts singing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay on D, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long, short, So that's it. It's a good thing to write it down. And the strumming. And sometimes I hear a guitar that goes. It's just down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Happy Memorial Day. See you later.